Hi, today from Keyless Entry Remote, I'm going to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I am showing you today is compatible with the 2010 through 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. The part number on the back of this 5-button key fob is 135-00226. To open this key fob, the first thing you need to do is push the button to release the key. Once you have the key released, turn it to its side and you'll be able to pull this back panel right off. Once you have the back panel off, you can actually just push on the battery and it should pop up. Once it pops up, it's actually very easy to take out. The battery for this key fob is a CR2032. To replace the battery, once you have the old battery out, put the new battery back in. It is plus side up, and you just need to push it down to snap it in. Once you have the battery in, replace the back panel, and at this point you can close down the key and you're done. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, click on the link in the description below or visit our website at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100. Again, you can click on the link in the description below, or you can visit our website at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.